Hi, I would like to tell you about the space heater by Dreo. So the reason that I wanted a space heater is because I work from home and during the cold months, I don't want to have to heat the entire house with the furnace in order to be warm in my office for the day. So I got this space heater so that I could keep it in my office, be comfortable in my office without heating the whole house. And so the first thing that struck me about this was the white and the silver. And so I really like that. It just looks really nice. The aesthetic of it, I really like it. It has this kind of carrying spot on the back, which I also really like. You could see from the red indicator that it is on. And then you've got some buttons on the top. Now, I will tell you there is a quick start page that you can use, and there's also a manual that comes with it that you can use to read more about all of the different features, but I just want to tell you about the features that I like. So this is the on-off button, and then this button you can set it. So I had an older space heater that I didn't like so well, and I would actually forget to turn it off. And so I like this because you can set a timer on it of 1 to 12 hours. So if I'm going to turn this on like at noon, I can just set it for 4 or 5 hours and I know it will automatically shut off at the end of my work day. And then these two in combination, you can lock it. So if there's a young child nearby, you can prevent the child, if they're touching it, they won't be able to change any of the settings. You've got a plus and a minus, so you can go up or down on the heat. And then this one gives you some extra features. So I'm just gonna turn it on. And I currently have it set to 70. So you can go up and down on the temperature, and you can also hear how quiet it is. And so you can go up and down on the temperature, and then it will kind of shut itself off and then turn itself back on because it senses in the eco mode. And then if you press that button again, you can do 1, 2, 3 on the heat level. So heat 1 is not as much heat, and heat 3 is the highest heat. That for like a continuous running fan. So those are my favorite features about this. It has kept me so warm in my cold office that I just genuinely appreciate how well this works, how nice it looks, and I very much recommend this product. Thanks.